XRP USDT. We're going to go over some coin analysis here, and then we'll jump over into the live charts. So Ripple XRP turned down from the 20-day EMA of $1.12 on September 16th, indicating that the bears are defending this level aggressively. The downsloping 20-day EMA and the RSI in the negative zone suggests that the path of least resistance is to the downside. Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. So in today's video, we have an awesome video for you on XRP Ripple, Ripple XRP. For all of you that are out there talking about the titles, you need to learn a little bit something about SEO. So let's go ahead and kick off this video for XRP Ripple and Ripple XRP. All right, and today's video is brought to you by SuperDraft Pro. SuperDraft Pro has partnered with Caesars Rewards to bring you live daily fantasy sports. Start the fun now. I'm going to go ahead and provide a link down in the description below so you can check that out. There are 4 ways to play daily fantasy with this program here. As you can see here, there's an elite program. This is actually the program I personally use. $100 a month, become a coach, and making money doesn't have to be a grind. Create a sports business from the comfort of your own home, get paid to play games, and have fun with friends and family wherever you are. If the bears sustain the price below the 50-day SMA, the XRP USDT pair could retest the September 7th intraday low of 95 cents. A break and close below the support will open the doors for a deeper correction all the way to 75 cents. So personally, right now, I do have some liquid capital that I'm holding for a pullback. It's not looking good. We're going into all coins are looking like a bear market potentially. You know, you got to keep some liquid cash in case something significant happens and this price retraces all the way down to 75 cents. I mean, can you imagine getting a huge bag of XRP at 75 cents? Again, getting that chance. It's been a long time since we've had that chance. So, but if the price rebounds off the current level or from 95 cents, the bulls will again try to push the price above the 20-day EMA. And if they succeed, it will suggest that the correction could be over. The pair may then start its northward march toward $1.35. So let's go look at the chart. All right, guys. So here we have the daily chart, XRP USD tether. As you can see, we've been in this channel, right? So we've been hitting the support resistance for quite some time. Now it is sitting on that support. What we're talking about here is this moving average, this blue line. It did bounce off of that and headed downward. And then also today it started downward as well. And it came and tapped off of this 50 moving average, which is the red one here. It is currently heading back up a little bit from there. As you can see right here, it's $1.07. So it's been playing in between this little zone here. What may happen is if this blue line crosses the red line and then the RSI, which is down here, it's 46 at the moment. But if that thing still continues to drop, it may come all the way down to the 30, which is then in a position to buy. So that would be the oversold section. And that's where you want to get buys. Like for example, last time it was 30, it was here. This one was a fake out, right? But that was a double bottom. On that second double bottom, it was the actual buy signal. And then we got the run up. Now let's go take a look at the live charts. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull back all the way out. When in doubt, zoom out, as they say. We're all the way back on the weekly channel, weekly chart here of XRP. And we're going to take a look and see if there's anything that we can see. Well, there is actually a couple of things that are standing out right now. So number one, this could potentially be, we're not 100% sure, but if this is your box here, and then this is your stick here, right, of your flag. So this could be on the weekly a bullish flag opportunity here. As you can see, it ran up. This would be the flag post. Right in here, it's been consolidating in this channel, which would be our actual flag waving, you know. And if that is the case, we could see a breakout and continuation up there. That is on the weekly. So let's go ahead and clear that chart again. And let's go ahead and head back to the daily now. But you can see where we're at on the weekly. So we had that major correction when the bad news came out. And then now this was where our most recent upward trajectory started again for XRP. Some good news coming in, great things are going on. And then now we've been consolidating. We're trading sideways for the last 5 weeks. We're looking like we may be going down. This is the 20 moving average on the weekly. It came and tapped it last week. And right now there's a day and 21 hours. So basically 2 days left, and it's trying to head back north. As you can see, it came down. It has a wick down here on this weekly candle. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. All right, so on the daily, as you can see, we are sitting at the mass volume section. We talked about this on our last video as well, and all of the volume is here. So that is why you're getting this ultimate tug of war battle right now going on between the bulls and the bears. And you're also seeing the price is coming back. So the 20-day moving average is starting to come down. The 50-day moving average is starting to come up, and they're about to collide here probably September 25th, 26th-ish. Maybe it'll even reach all the way till September 30th if these continue to trade sideways. But right now we're sitting at our massive support and massive resistance zone. As you can see here, this blue and yellow, these are buys and sells, and that is who is winning the game. Now, if this can break above it and start making the run like we talked about, we're looking for the $1.35 mark, which would bring it back to about here. Okay, so $1.35, if this runs up, it's going to run into a little bit of a problem right here as well. So this $1.25 mark, which we've seen historically, it runs into a problem. If it can break through there, it'll go to $1.28, and then it could make that run all the way up to the $1.37 mark, actually, because all of this is empty in here, right? So major resistance, it goes up, hardly any resistance after it breaks here. Resistance starts to kick back in. It comes down again. And then this is where the real ultimate next stop is going to happen. $1.38, $1.39. That's going to be the next major resistance in the volume. Okay. And remember, the reason the token goes up in price is there's volume. There's people buying it. There's money flowing in. Price goes up. Money flowing out. Price goes down. So you guys know that. So anyway, that is the daily. Now let's go look at let's take a look and see what we got. So we're trading sideways, definitely consolidating. We're just being patient. As I was telling you earlier, the new 24-hour candle, or the new 24-hour candle just started. So we're about 4 hours in, and we are starting to make our way up. What would be really nice if this runs all the way up and even gets to our resistance line at $1.09, but that would become a fully engulfing candle, the green candle fully covering everything in the red candle. And then we could see some positive momentum, because that is a very strong bullish momentum move if we can get that. Also very positive for that, if we can keep this momentum building, is there is already a wick to the bottom of this candle. So it's already gone down for the day. And then now all it has to do is it's got smooth sailing if we can get that momentum and that volume coming in on the daily there. All right. So just wanted to kind of show you guys that. Now we've also got a little bit of a head and shoulders type of situation hitting right here. We got a shoulder here, got a head here, and our second shoulder. So this is also a good sign, but that has already potentially run out. So we'll see. But that was on some news. That's why that one crashed there. When we had that flash crash just recently, right? Everything crashed that day. So that's kind of like an artificial crash, which was weird. So we should see some momentum build back up. Like we said, if we can break above that $1.07 mark, we can really break above this right here, this $1.13, where this 20 moving average is going. That's when we can see some major movement. All right, so staying on the daily, looking down here, we are starting to slope down. Everything is sloping down, which that is never a good sign, because this could run all the way down back to this 50 moving average here. And again, you know, they were talking about 75 cents could be the next support. It doesn't look like that. I don't see 75 cents. I mean, the next place is probably going to come is it'll run into this 200 moving average, maybe, you know, 85, 90 cents. If it does crash all the way to 75 cents, it just doesn't make sense, because there's no support at 75 cents. In fact, it's like the opposite. You can see that there's no volume at that section. It would actually come back to something like 56 cents, and that would be a catastrophic issue making that happen. The whole market, they're talking about Tether maybe about to implode. That could do something. I have been watching some other videos out there about XRP, about the potential of flipping the switch. The Federal Reserve is coming to an end. And if that happens, we're going to go, XRP will be the cryptocurrency of the world. Sounds cool. Who knows? Never know. So if it does come to 75 cents, we buy a big bag. We're at $1 right now. Still not financial advice, it's financial entertainment and education only. But in my opinion, I'm going to pick up some stuff here. And then I'm going to get like 25% of my bag that I'm going to buy. And then if it comes down to 75 cents, I'll layer in the rest of it there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you later.